In order to figure out whether it is selective or non-selective catheterization, please read the operative report and see where is the end of the catheter. Sometimes they can make just a diagnostic study, say an aortogram with runoff. Okay. Now, there are two types of catheterization in that itself. Above the diaphragm cords are different from below the diaphragm cords. When you are going to place a catheter, especially above the diaphragm into any of the vessels, your catheterization code alone will start with 36215, 36216 and 36217. Here comes the next question. What is 215, 216, 217? We see as a first order, second order or third order. Meaning there are so many branches of the aorta. Now aorta gives rise to a splenic artery, right? So going to the splenic artery becomes a first order, and going to a branch of splenic becomes a second order. It's because you need to code each of these branches separately. So for that vascular family is that being listed in the appendix L of the CPT manual. You can very well go ahead and look into the vascular family and figure out which order is that particular blood vessel.